Good morning, students. This is Satish, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. Welcome to this session. In this session, we discussed about causes of water pollution, part 2. Causes of water pollution. Yes, last video we categorized what are the causes of water pollution. The first point is decay of organic matter. The organic matter can consume the dissolved oxygen which is present in a water. The amount of oxygen dissolved in a given quantity of water at a particular pressure and temperature. So when the dissolved oxygen serves the means of control of river pollution. A minimum level of dissolved oxygen 4 milligram per liter must be maintained in rivers so as to support the aquatic life in healthy condition. It is necessary to ensure that the treated water must have at least 4 milligram per liter of dissolved oxygen before its disposal into river. And the dissolved oxygen is vital for the support of fishes and other aquatic lives in river water. BOD is the amount of oxygen required for biological decomposition of organic matter present in water. So BOD called biochemical oxygen demand. So the reaction period is taken as 5 days at 20 degrees Celsius for all practical purpose. So it is also written as BOD 5. The rate of oxidation and the demand depends on the amount and the type of organic matter present in the river water. Then pathogenic organisms called presence of microbes like bacteria, virus, fungi, some protozoans into the rivers which causes a variety of diseases to human beings and animals. Then presence of plant nutrients. The plant nutrients which is from the fertilizers like potassium, phosphorus, nitrogen. So the water soluble compound containing the nitrate, phosphate and ammonium ions from the fertilizer, detergents and sewage waters mixed with water bodies called water pollution. And it can cause excessive growth of algae and other aquatic plants which decay or deplete the dissolved oxygen in water and kill the aquatic lives. And also the drinking water with excess level of nitrates lower the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood and can kill children and infants very easily. So when the high nutrient leads to a eutrophication, the eutrophication leads to blooms which can oxygen depletion. Next, oil spills. So the oil enters the water from cracks of oil tankers, accidental spillage, cleaning of fuel tanks by a merchant and also from a street cleanings. So the continuous oil film inhibit the photosynthesis and the formation of the oxygen, and also it is inhibit the growth of plankton. Plankton means plants, floating plants of water surface. So it inhibit the growth of planktons which is the main source of hydrobonates incubating the water body. All aquatic animals depends either directly or indirectly on the plankton, so which is the basis of the trophic chain. Then a presence of toxic substance like lead, mercury, zinc and cadmium which is affect our food chain called biomagnification. So we are directly or indirectly consuming the aquatic lives and marine water. The hazardous substance, the lead and zinc cadmium, which is indirectly connected to our food chain. And our health, human being health can also affected. And thermal pollution. Thermal pollution is presence of or discharging of excess of heat into the water bodies, like the water cooling of electric power plants. Industrial plants are almost half of all waters. They are withdrawn from the nearby water bodies for cooling electric power plants. After that, they are discharging the excessive heat into the same water bodies. It lower the dissolved oxygen level and makes an aquatic organisms more vulnerable to diseases and toxic chemicals. When a power plant first opens for a repair, fishes and other organisms adapted to particular temperature range. It can be killed, the aquatic life can be killed by change the water temperature. It is also known as thermal shock. Yes. Yes, thank you for attending this video.